Today, between 20,000 and 30,000 Chechens who participated in resisting Russian occupation or imprisoned in Russian jails. They are deprived of prisoner of war status. We believe that after February 24, 2022, when Russia was recognized as a state sponsor of terrorism and the International Criminal Court issued a warrant for Putin's arrest, this issue should once again be reconsidered by international institutions such as Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe, OSCE, and others. Even during the exchange of Vadima Krasikova, who Putin sent to Europe to assassinate Chechen commander Zelimhana Hangошвили, the issue of Chechen prisoners in Russian jails was not raised. These individuals have the right to be granted prisoner of war status and the corresponding rights under international conventions, as well as to be included in prisoner exchange lists. Thank you.